President Draupadi Murmu will address a joint sitting of Parliament today, delivering her first presidential address since the formation of the Third National Democratic Alliance (NDA) government. Following her address, a motion of thanks will be moved and discussed in both House of Parliament. The 18th Lok Sabha's first session began on Monday and the Rajya Sabha session starts today. On Wednesday, Om Birla was re-elected as Lok Sabha Speaker after a motion by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Seconded by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh was adopted by the House. Birla called for a new version of the 18th Lok Sabha, aiming to establish high parliamentary traditions and dignity and to fulfill the resolve of Viksit Bharat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated Birla, emphasizing the significant responsibility of his role during the Amrit Kal and praising the 17th Lok Sabha's decision under Birla's leadership as a golden period in parliamentary history. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi also congratulated Birla, asserting that the Speaker is the final arbiter of the people's voice and that the position now represents significantly more voices than in the 17th Lok Sabha. Gandhi emphasized the need for cooperation and trust to ensure the opposition can effectively raise the people's concerns. Birla expressed confidence that the 18th Lok Sabha will uphold its commitment to preserving the constitution, maintaining the rule of law and promoting decentralization of power. He noted the importance of House functioning well and often with cooperation based on trust. This session is the first after the general election where the NDA secured 293 seats and the India Bloc won 234 seats. The BJP did not achieve a majority on its own, securing 240 seats. Today's session is expected to outline the new government's legislative agenda and set the tone for interactions between the ruling party and opposition.